It's a murder, she wrote. Honeymoon that ended in homicide. More chilling details have now emerged in the Sonam Raja sensational murder case. India Today accessing WhatsApp chats that reveal that Sonam plotted her husband's murder 3 days after their wedding. Arvind Oja with the details.
Cheating wife, Supari killers, and a murder. The sordid saga of Sonam Bewafa unravels with shocking revelations coming to the fore. What began as a picture-perfect wedding has now turned into a chilling crime plot. As the probe intensifies, shocking details emerge on how Sonam Raghuvanshi planned the murder. Sources say that Sonam and Raja got married through Raghuvanshi app. In January 2025, a series of conversations took place between the two families which ended in the wedding. Sources say it was Sonam who allegedly plotted to get Raja murdered. Sources also reveal that Sonam allegedly told Raj Kushwaha to arrange Supari killers to eliminate Raja. And to make things look normal, Sonam allegedly told Raj Kushwaha to stay in Indore throughout. The police sources say phone chats have shed more light on the conspiracy. According to them, messages between Sonam and Raj Kushwaha revealed that she was not happy with Raja and wanted to get rid of him. Sonam allegedly told Raj that she did not like her husband getting intimate with her, according to sources. The duo allegedly discussed how to get rid of Raja and how Shillong was a safe location to eliminate Raja. Families and friends of Sonam and Raj Kushwaha denied rumors of romantic relationship between him and Sonam.
राज दीदी बोलता तो कैसे बॉयफ्रेंड हो सकती है? 2 साल से बोल रहे, मतलब कहाँ से मैं वो हो गया कि बॉयफ्रेंड बोल दिया? कहाँ से? राखी बनवाने आया था कितनी बार यहाँ तो उनके घर पे,
सोनम से।
हाँ, अब भाई बोलते तो बनवाएगा। मैं चाहता हूँ सीबीआई जांच एक बार हो तो एकदम जो मेन पॉइंट है वो पकड़ा जाए सब।
सोनम अपनी बातें सारी मुझसे शेयर करती थी, बट उन बातों में कभी भी ये नहीं आया कि मेरे कोई कलीग हैं, मेरे कलीग के साथ मेरी ये बात चल रही है, मेरे कलीग के साथ मेरा ये रिलेशन, कभी भी ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं बोला उसने।
Sonam has now been arrested and taken into 72-hour transit remand by Meghalaya police under Operation Honeymoon. With Arvind Oja in Shillong, Bureau Report, India Today.